What's going on, Unbox Nation? Hope you guys are doing great as always. In today's video, we will be unboxing and reviewing Nekteck 21W solar charger. We will tell you everything you need to know about Nekteck solar charger, so please keep watching until the end. If you're new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell button. Also, please don't forget to smash that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. Let's finally get rid of this Nekteck box so we can take a look inside. Oh, sorry guys, I just made you go through a little earthquake there really quick. So in the box we have Nekteck 21W solar charging panel. And let's take a look what's on the inside. Maybe there's something else in there. Looks like we have this little pouch or pocket as well. And inside the pouch we have 2-port USB, 2.6 feet or 80 centimeters micro USB cable, user manual, and 12-month worry-free warranty. We also have these little carabiners that would, I'm assuming, help you attach this solar charger to your backpack or whatever you want to place it. The specs of Nekteck 21W solar charger: power input is 21 watts, the power output is 5 volts with standard USB. Unfortunately, there is no onboard capacity in Nekteck solar charger. However, it does have pretty good output current of up to 3 amps when 2 USB ports used simultaneously, or up to 2 amps when 1 USB port is used. Nekteck solar charger's canvas is created to withstand rugged outdoor use. Nekteck is ultra lightweight, it weighs approximately 18 ounces, and Nekteck is also ultra compact. Its dimensions are 6.3 by 11.1 by 1.06 inches folded, or 26.3 by 11.1 in open condition. So it easily should fit in your backpack. Nekteck solar charger is compatible with all phones, tablets, GPSs, cameras, and other USB supported devices. When it comes to material and build quality, the Nekteck solar charger has canvas material with precision stitching, which makes Nekteck be able to withstand rugged outdoor use. Nekteck solar charger also has PET polymer cover that guarantees IPX4 waterproof level protection, which makes the panels resistant to water or dust and makes the build quality much more durable. Guys, smash that like button if you think the material and build quality are just perfect for solar charger, and comment down below if you think the build quality and materials used could have been even better. Despite being so compact, the Nekteck 21W solar charger has some useful features. The canvas has 2 steel eye holes, therefore allowing you to easily carry your Nekteck solar charger. The Nekteck also has a pouch in which you can safely store your devices while charging and on the go. If you flip it around, Nekteck solar charger exposes 21W sun power solar panel, each section putting out approximately 800 to 1000 milliamps under strong sunlight. And dual USB charging ports allow up to 2 devices to recharge at once. Nekteck also integrated a smart chip technology in their charger. They call it Smart IC. Smart IC technology is the latest charging solution. Nekteck says it has its own microchip that detects the devices plugged in through USB pin signals, which gives output at full power and full charging speed. With smart IC technology, NEKTEck intelligently identifies your devices and seeks to maximize its charging speed up to 2 amps per port or 3 amps overall. Guys, smash that like button for the NEKTEck features, and don't forget to let me know what you think in regards to these features in comment section below. Some of you might wonder about controls or how to operate Nekteck 21W solar charger. It's a very simple process. In order to make your Nekteck solar charger work, all you have to do is find some direct sunlight and unfold your Nekteck solar charger. Once you do that, you will see the LED light turn green on the inside of the pouch where the USB ports are located. And then all you have to do is plug in whatever device you need to charge and your device will start charging. So basically it's a plug and play device, which is perfect for when you are spending your time outdoors. Guys, smash that like button if you think the plug and play scenario is just perfect for an outdoor solar charger, and comment down below if you think Nekteck should have included more indicators, controls, or maybe even power bank in this solar charger. Right now guys, I want you to pay close attention to my power detector meter. You see the blue number? It shows you the voltage current of almost 4 volts, meaning it has power coming from the solar charger. However, the power seems to be getting cut off pretty frequently, so just watch. Oh, it's off and back on. And then boom, once again the power's off and on. This could be dangerous for your devices because it could mess up your battery, and you don't want that, especially if you're camping somewhere outdoor or hiking in rock terrains where you might be relying on your electronic devices. No matter where I tested the device, under the sunlight or under LED lights, it seems to cut out power anyway. Now, I don't know if all of the Nekteck devices have this issue and we can't judge the whole brand based on one device. Maybe the one we got is just defective. However, I believe that if you're paying $60, which is quite expensive for a charger, it should absolutely not have any issues like that, especially if it has anything to do with its primary function, which is to charge your device. So despite the fact that I have been so excited to be able to use it while hiking or mountain biking, I will have to return this device. And I also want you guys to be aware of this when shopping for your own solar charger. Despite that, the Nekteck 21W solar charger turned out not as great as Nekteck claims it to be. Thank you very much for watching my video about Nekteck 21W solar charger, guys. If you found this video helpful or just enjoyed it anyway, please hit that like button for the YouTube algorithm to push our video to the top so we can be helpful to many other viewers interested in this product. Subscribe, and don't forget to smash the bell button to be notified for future awesome helpful content. And remember guys, it does not matter how slowly you go as long as you do not stop. So never give up and keep pushing forward.